Yung photographer niyo po. Dito ka po, pwede ako din sa harapan para mas malaki.
Opo. Lahat po family lang. Opo, family. Kapatid po ng nanay ko.
Oh, ang bed ka sa mga. Kasi kailangan ng dahil. Kailangan naman ng documents.
Wala po yung guest, hindi nakatingnan lang po ang tatayo at saka bride. Florian and Maria Ellis.
Yes, ma'am.
May sinsing.
Ito, ako.
English, Tagalog.
English na lang po.
I was gonna ask. If he understands Tagalog. Maybe. Family and friends, thank you all for coming today to share in this wonderful occasion. Today we are here together to unite Florian and Maria Ellis in marriage. Florian, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in love and marriage to Maria Ellis?
Yes.
And Maria Ellis, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself in love and marriage to Florian?
Yes. Yes, sure.
It's okay. Who your witnesses? Do you know of any reason why Maria Ellis and Florian should not be married? Anong I object.
No.
I will ask the bride and the groom to face each other and hold each other's hand. And say, I, Florian,
I, Florian,
take you, wait a minute, take you, Maria Ellis,
take you, Maria Elise,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to be my lawfully wedded wife,
to live together in harmony,
to live together in harmony,
to love, comfort,
comfort,
honor,
honor,
and keep you
and keep you
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in sorrow and in joy,
in sorrow and in joy,
in plenty and in want,
in plenty and in want,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
as long as you both shall live.
as long as we both shall.
I, Maria Ellis,
I, Maria Elise,
take you, Florian,
take you, Florian,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to be my lawfully wedded husband,
to live together in matrimony,
to live together in matrimony,
to love, comfort,
comfort,
honor,
honor,
and keep you
and keep you
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
in sorrow and in joy,
in sorrow and in joy,
in plenty and in want,
in plenty and in want,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Let us go to your rings. Florian, mauna siya. Florian, as you place this ring on the finger of Maria Elise, please repeat after me. Maria Elise,
Maria Elise,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a symbol of my unending love
as a symbol of my unending love
and fidelity to you,
and fidelity to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
And Maria Elise, as you place the ring on the finger of Florian, please repeat after me. Florian,
Florian,
wear this ring
wear this ring
as a symbol of my unending love
as a symbol approval of my aunt and Laura
and fidelity to you,
and fidelity
to you, now and forever.
and forever.
Face me. As Florian and Maria Elise in front of this court and in the presence of their witnesses have expressed their desire to be united in marriage, I, by the authority and power vested in me under the laws of the Republic of the Philippines as acting presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court, Branch 152 of Pasig City, now pronounce you husband and wife. You may please your verdict.
Okay.
Ito yung pagka-finish, no?
George, pwede mo magpa-picture? No. Thank you po.
Thank you. Ito po muna tayo. Para di sa court.
Ay, opo.
Siya ang taga-register.
Opo.
Tapos pinapalakad na.
Opo. Sige po.
Kasi nauubos daw yung oras niya pag
Ay, okay po. Magkano po?
ano pa?
Ano yan, sir?
Kasi registration ka.
5 copies po. Yes, ma'am.
Bali, di ba, yun yung last day, hindi nga ba sa certificate, last day mo ngayon.
Valid only for today.
Ay, hintay na
Hindi na lang.
ma-sinisip.
May habol. Advance, happy birthday, sir.
Kailan ba?
Tomorrow.
Happy
Right?
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Ate Gina, birthday ng mami ko ngayon.
Wow!
Mami mo ka mababaw pa. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Picture kayong dalawa. Tapos po may yan lang ba? Kung hindi nga sabi niya. Oo, pag hindi ka nagpakasipasok, wala naman kayo sa Germany.
So, hold also. Cut and go.
Oo nga po, hindi ko na din po yun napansin. Akala ko po talaga hanggang July po.
Buti sabi yun.
Oo nga, thank you.
Buti napansin nila.
Kompleto naman po kasi sila.
Kung ka na naman ng Germany,
Kompleto naman kayo, Elisa.
Opo.
Buti pala na irapon agad. Kung nairapon yan, tapos ngayon lang dinala,
Hindi na po.
mahirapan tayo.
mahirapan ako.
Baka magpakasal kayo ng oras na ganyan na lang kung wala kayong hospital.
Yup.
Wala ko.
Okay.
Kung ano oras sila pumunta, yun na lang ang suot nila.
Oo. Sa MIS, kasama mo si Delmar. Parang sa MIS yung mga
Contract sign. Check it po, check it.
Yung tao doon, ano ako doon. Yung gusto dito. Ay, gusto mo. Ay, gusto ka na.
Ninong traffic, ninong ano.
Hindi tinatawagan.
No, wala yun. Sila picture with us. With you and dog. Yung face ko.
Sige, pwede na po kayo tumayo to picturean.
Thank you, sir. Ay, Ate Gina, magkano ba yung...
Free lang po, free lang.
Kano po?
Free lang.
300?
Free po. yung open ka na lang.
Oo.
Bri, tama.
Hindi ka namin ibang po. Grabe na yun.
Ano?
Galas maganda.
Ako na nila, sabi nila, kita yung mga tao mo yung dito mga bulag.
Ay, marami po yung baka na
Tapos pag-sit ka rin, ma'am.
Opo.
Ako eh, ako
Thursday.
Ako,
Well, after 2 weeks po, pwede na rin yung certificate of practice or local civil natin. Tapos 6 months pwede yung space.
Pero pag ano ba, pwede ko ba lang
Kasi nga sila,
Baka yung certificate of practice.
purple speaks that.
Eh, picture kayo sa harap ka.
Kamu.
Yung laki ano dun na bagay mo. Ay, habol.
Oo,
Nag-moist?
Ako, sir,
Uy, wala.
hindi nila napansin.
Opo nga eh.
Kasi
Kasi
gusto
ano
niya,
eh.
gusto niya makasana.
Let's ano to, take this out of the ano.
Si Michael. Si Ate Gina.
Picture
Happy, don't talk naman happy.